If you're thinking about buying AlphaVit Shilajit Gummies, you might want to wait a few minutes because the marketing sounds impressive. But the real question is whether the product actually delivers meaningful results or simply relies on popular wellness trends. After researching AlphaVit Shilajit Gummies, I found that the formula is designed to support energy levels, stamina, daily performance, focus, and overall vitality by using shilajit along with other ingredients commonly found in dietary supplements. While shilajit has been used in traditional medicine for centuries and some early research suggests it may offer certain health benefits, the scientific evidence for many of the bold claims often seen in supplement advertising is still limited, and results can vary significantly from person to person. One thing I liked is that gummies offer a convenient alternative to capsules or powders, making them easier for many people to take consistently. However, I also noticed that the company provides limited publicly available clinical evidence showing that this exact gummy formula produces the advertised benefits. Like many supplements in this category, there are claims related to testosterone support, increased energy, and improved performance. But there isn't enough high-quality research confirming that these specific gummies can consistently deliver those outcomes for everyone. Customer experiences also appear to be mixed, with some users reporting positive changes while others say they notice little or no difference after regular use. That kind of feedback isn't unusual for dietary supplements because factors such as age, lifestyle, diet, sleep, and overall health can all influence results. It's also important to remember that no supplement should be viewed as a substitute for a healthy lifestyle or proper medical advice. Overall, AlphaVit Shilajit Gummies don't immediately appear to be an obvious scam, but they also don't have enough independent evidence to guarantee the impressive results suggested in the marketing. If you're considering buying them, it's worth keeping realistic expectations, reviewing the ingredient list carefully, checking for third-party testing information, and consulting a healthcare professional if you have any medical conditions or take prescription medications before deciding whether they're the right choice for you.